Okay, so get this, right? Everyone's buzzing about AI, right? So we're doing a deep dive on it today.
Yeah, it's pretty hot right now.
I mean, it's everywhere, right?
Yeah.
And we found this source, AI's origins and future. And it's like, whoa, it blew my mind. It talks about like, where did this whole thing even start?
Uh-huh.
But also, where is it going? And the implications are huge EE.
Yeah, it's really fascinating.
So let's jump right in. The term artificial intelligence
Okay.
was coined way back in 1956
Wow.
at this like super cool gathering. They called it the Dartmouth Conference.
Oh, yeah. I've heard about this. This is like the birthplace of AI.
It is.
It brought together these like titans of computer science at the time. We're talking about John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon.
Wow.
These were pioneers, the ones who laid the very groundwork for what we know as AI today.
That's amazing. So like, what were they doing there?
Well, they were like, let's spend the summer like figuring out how to make machines think. It was all about like problem solving and logic, how to teach computers to like play checkers.
Ah, so this is like really early stuff.
Oh, yeah. It was super basic back then, like quaint now, but it was groundbreaking stuff at the time.
Yeah. And then, like, what happened? Because AI hit a slump, huh?
Well, yeah.
In the 60s and 70s.
Yeah, the enthusiasm kind of fizzled out. They ran into some really hard realities, like trying to program computers with explicit rules for every situation.
Uh-huh.
It turned out to be just ridiculously complicated,
Yeah.
especially for things like common sense reasoning or understanding natural language. I mean, have you ever tried to explain sarcasm to a computer?
Haha. Right.
It's not going to get it.
It's like impossible.
That's really hard. And back then, computers just weren't powerful enough to handle the complexity. Plus, there wasn't enough data available for them to learn from.
Right, right. So they had the right idea, but the tech just wasn't there yet.
Exactly. They were ahead of their time. But then, boom, the 80s hit and AI comes roaring back to life.
It's like a comeback story.
It is. And you know what the game changer was? Neural networks.
Neural networks.
Yeah, they're basically computer systems that are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Instead of trying to like hand code every single rule, they let the networks learn from data. It was revolutionary. And with the rise of computers and the internet, suddenly there was tons of digital data available. It was like AI had been starving, and now it had this all-you-can-eat buffet.
Wow. So AI was finally getting the fuel it needed to take off.
Absolutely. And now look around. AI is everywhere. It's
Yeah.
in our phones. It's recommending what shows we should watch. It's filtering our spam. It's doing all this amazing stuff.
It's mind-blowing. And this source, AI's origins and future, it doesn't stop there. It's saying that AI is going to revolutionize everything.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be huge.
Like transportation,
Oh, yeah.
self-driving cars. That's got to be one of the biggest things on the horizon.
Yeah, that's one of the most exciting and potentially like disruptive applications of AI. Just imagine cars that can navigate traffic perfectly.
Yeah.
Way fewer accidents because no more human error. And think about it. Transportation becomes accessible to everyone, even people who can't drive.
No, that's a game changer.
It is. We could even see a world without traffic jams.
Okay, now you're talking. Sign me up for that.
Right. And think about the environmental benefits. Optimized routes, fuel efficiency. I mean, the possibilities are endless.
Amazing. Okay, what about healthcare? It seems like AI could be huge there too.
Oh, absolutely. We're already seeing AI being used to analyze medical images like X-rays and mammograms. And you know what? It often catches subtle patterns that even experienced radiologists might miss,
Wow.
leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses.
That's incredible.
And personalized medicine, that's becoming a reality thanks to AI.
Yeah.
Tailoring treatments to your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle, that's what AI can do. It can sift through huge amounts of data and figure out the most effective treatments for you.
So it's like AI could be our personal health guardian, catching things early and guiding us toward the best possible care.
Exactly. It's like having a doctor in your pocket, but way smarter.
Uh-huh. That's amazing.
Yeah.
But what about education? How can AI help us learn and grow?
Well, imagine a world where every student has their own AI tutor,
Oh, wow.
one that adapts to their learning style and pace.
That's cool.
It could identify a student's strengths and weaknesses, adjust the difficulty of lessons, and even give them personalized feedback. No more one-size-fits-all education.
Yeah, that's a game changer for sure. But with all these potential benefits, you know what I'm thinking.
What's that?
What about jobs? What happens to jobs when AI can automate all these tasks that humans are doing now?
Yeah, that's a big question, and it's a valid concern. Look, while AI is going to create new jobs in areas like AI development and maintenance,
Yeah.
there's no doubt some jobs will be displaced. That's just the reality. But here's the key. We need to adapt. We need to focus on those skills that AI can't replicate. Creativity, critical thinking, complex problem solving.
Right.
Those are the areas where humans still have the edge. It's not about fearing robots. It's about learning to work with them, leveraging their strengths while playing to our own unique human abilities.
So it's like a collaboration.
Exactly. We're on the brink of this new era of humans and machines working together.
Well, that's an awesome thought to wrap things up on. This deep dive into AI has been incredible. It really makes you think about the future and how we're shaping it together. AI has the potential to revolutionize our lives in countless ways. So keep exploring this topic, keep asking questions, and keep imagining the possibilities. Because the future of AI is in many ways still being written.
I agree. It's an exciting time to be alive.
It really is. Thanks for listening, everyone, and until next time, keep on diving.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.